Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Precious and for today's video, gagawa tayo guys ng Buko Pandan salad. So for these ingredients, kailangan po natin ng Buko Pandan na flavor. So for this, kailangan po natin ng 2 sachet with 10 cups of water. Pakuluan natin and then ilagay po yung Buko Pandan flavor. And then wait po natin. You can add some sugar para may lasa yung Buko Pandan natin. And then let's wait. Ipakuluan lang po natin hanggang sa kumulo ng konti. And then transfer po natin sa lalagyan. Lalagay mo lahat? And then wait for it para tumigas guys. And then let's prepare for the buko. And so pagsamasamahin po natin guys yung buko at saka yung jelly na Buko Pandan. So kailangan lang po natin ng cream. Kailangan po natin ng cream guys. 1 pack. And then 1 can of condensada. This is really good refreshment guys. Dahil summer ngayon. So masarap po ito guys pag malamig na malamig. And 1 can creamdansada. Mix them all together, all the ingredients. Masarap ito guys, especially this summer. Let's just mix it all. And then let's taste. Refrigerate at least 4 hours until it becomes like this. Hanggang sa ano siya guys, hanggang sa mag-yellow, mag-freeze, and then ready to eat na guys. Enjoy!